Alrighty, I just got done rebuilding this. I figured I would take a quick video to help out whoever. This is sr20. This is the rebuild kit. It was 20 bucks at O'Reilly's. And it comes with all the shit that you need. I was having my power steering give out while I was getting close to full lock, and I thought it was bind from my angle kit. And then one of my power steering lines exploded. So I rebuild. When I say rebuild, it's not rebuild. It's a new O-ring, because this one was completely smashed flat in there. So hot fluid could have escaped past that. And then this one is much more brittle feeling than the new one. It's also a little smashed. Sorry about the focus. So yeah, and then I popped out some new crush washers, which don't come in the kit. I got these crush washers in my extra RB valve stem seal kit. Anyways, so this is for a 95 240SX. They have the same pump, different mounting brackets. And all you do is 3/4 inch socket to take the pulley off, two 12 mils bolts behind through the pulley. The pulley will come off. You don't have to worry about using a puller. And then it's these 4 bolts here. And there's one behind this bracket. Pulls apart. You don't have to worry about the vanes falling out, because the vanes are enclosed in a casing. So you literally just pull this apart, and unless you're replacing the bearing, you don't necessarily have to pull this pulley off. I didn't replace the bearing. And then you put the 2 O-rings in. They're located deep back in here, inside the shell. And then you just pop this back on. And be careful when you put your high pressure stud back through. It wants to catch on the bolt. This crush washer wants to catch on the bolt as you slide it in, so you have to be really careful not to accidentally do this. Previous owner did this. It wasn't leaking for some reason, but yeah. So there you go. It took me all about 30 minutes after being clean and using gloves and stuff. So